Parcels, parcels everywhere. What's inside? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Exists on Tech. I am Exist. Thank you for tuning in today. So I have this, that, and a big box. Want to know what's inside? I do. Well, I know what I bought, but do you want to know? Some of this is not technology, unfortunately, but stuff I wanted. Well, 1, 2 bits of technology. Let's have a look what's inside the Alxum box first. Yeah, I don't particularly want to use a knife because, you know, what happens if you cut yourself? Yeah, stop the video, trip down to A&E, or at least down to the bathroom to get us some plasters. The scissors. Ooh. This is an Alxum USB hub. It's got a card reader on one side and a couple of USB ports on the back, USB 3. Fantastic. Ooh. That is frustration-free packaging. Nice. It is a 16 gigabyte SD card. Now, 16 gigabyte, why do you want a 16 gig SD card for? Let's take on my old camcorder. I want to try and sell it. So I might as well sell it with an SD card. It's only like about £5 anyway. Right, box be gone. 16 gig SD card, number 1. This is, well, I said the Alxum USB 3 3-port hub with micro SD card reader. I bought this in silver to go with my keyboard, the mouse mat, the mouse in just grey. Let's have a look what this is about. Oh, that's nice and small. Ooh. That's nice. Sits on the desk like that. I don't know. Oh, probably can't see it there, can you? There you go. It comes with a couple of USB cables. So USB 3 to like the hard drive USB B cables, I think they're called. Or it's got USB-C. That's very handy, even though my computer unfortunately does not have USB-C. The only issue I have with this little product is that these cables are too short to reach from the back of my PC into maybe like the middle of my desk. So I had to buy an extension cable. So Alxum, micro USB, what am I on about? Micro SD card, normal SD card, 1, 2, 3 USB 3.0 ports, and of course the input output. It's got that little knurled effect on the end. Yeah. So there's that. I'll plunk about there. The cables. What's in this one then? This is a Selens 5-in-1 reflector disc. Now this is the 60 by 90 centimeter. Have you used one of these before? These are so much fun when you open them. I don't know if I've got enough room to open it here, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. Hello! Nice handles. Reflective, shiny. What's that one? Matte black. So we've got a couple of zips. I don't know if you can see. Okay. That's zipped up. That's zipped up. How'd you get this out then? There's another zip there. Okay. Ooh. That's the diffuser. And if you can see that by there, hey, I like the handles on this. These are funky. So, it's hard to do this, isn't it? Hold up by there, diffuse the light a bit better. So what's this then? Turns inside out. Okay. So that's the gold member. gold reflector side, and on the other side it's just white reflector, but then you somehow got to get that back on there. So this was, I think, £13 odd off Amazon. Link in the video description below if you want to buy the USB hub or this. Try it. Shrink. And then somewhere, where's the zip gone? There you go. I'm gonna give myself a bit of a tan with the light. Oh, with the light in, or just reflect the light. Yeah. Let's go for a tan, shall we? Here, look at me. I've been away on holidays. It's February, and I'm nice and golden. I know. That's good. Now the tip to these is to opposite hands, and then. Did it! And I've managed to zip it back up. What a pro. So that's a Selens 5-in-1 reflect disc and diffuser. Fantastic. This, now then, where's my scissors? Here we go. Now I'm falling into this is in technology category now. These, I bought off old eBay. Oh wow. These are Photo R lighting stand weights, like sandbags. So these were $8.99 for 2. And as you can see, they've got the black and yellow stripe. So it makes them easy to see. Rubbish be gone. Yeah, I like that. It comes with a, what do they call them now? I think a Cavalier, but it's not Cavalier hook, is it? Cabards? Oh, I don't know. A little hooky thing. Brilliant. Oh, damn. The zips are breaking everywhere. Alright, so, yeah, we've got 2 zips for extra protection. And I put sand in there, or gravel. You've got the 1 zip then to keep all that inside, and then you've got the external zip, so it stops it from leaking out. To fill those with sand or gravel, I'm going to fill mine with gravel. Take a trip to B&Q sometime. And are these adjustable? No, they're not adjustable, but hey, at least it'll stop my lights from toppling over. And it comes with I can't remember the name of these hooks. That's annoying. Yeah, and then I got 2 of those, $8.99. If you want to buy these, link in the video description below. And if you can remember the name of these hooks, please leave it in the video description below. In the comment section, I mean, leave in the comment section. There's one, and there is to other. Proper Yorkshire lad. Damped up man's with loaf of bread. Again, comes with a little hooky thing that I can't for the life of me remember the name of them. That's so annoying. Zips there, weights. Cabina? No. Cabina? No. This is so annoying. I can't remember the name of them. So, whatever. Yeah. So that's, I'll clip that on there so I don't lose it. There you go. And put them over the leg of your tripod, lighting stand. My tripod has got a little hook on the center column, so you could hook that there to stop it from wobbling, for example, if you're filming on a ship. This, what is this one then? Scissors. Oh, I remember what this one is. I've had these lying around for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. This is a lens cleaning kit off eBay. So you got your little microfiber-ish cloth, and this little pen's funky. A little felt pad by there, and this. Ooh, that's nice and soft. A little brush. So cleaning the lens. Put it back down. That comes off and goes in. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. And of course, the little blower. I think this was about £3 odds off eBay. Again, I'll leave links in the video description below if you'd like to buy this. Comes as a kit. Yeah, I think it's just under £3, which bargain. You never know with cleaning your lenses and putting lens caps on and off. If you're filming outdoors, especially in the weather we've got at the moment. It's the, what, 24th February? Even though you'll be watching this in March, because I'm trying to shoot ahead. Yeah, it's very windy at the moment. So, lens cleaning kit, brilliant. This is, I do believe, a USB 3 extension cable to go with the hub I bought. Yep, normal 1 meter super speed USB 3. As I mentioned, make sure it's got the right ends on it. The cable for that is way too short. So I'll have the white bit go into the back of the desk, and then I'll hide this underneath the desk and then go into the back of my PC. Brilliant. Now this I've already opened. This came a few weeks ago. This is Shakmods. I always call them Shakmods for some unknown reason. This is a 1 meter expanding matte braided sleeving. Yeah, covering cable harness, colors in white. Now, this I bought for a special project I'll be filming later on this week to make my own braided cables. If you want to watch me make my own braided cables for SATA data or SATA data and SATA power or SATA power, then hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you're notified of my latest videos, and stay tuned for the next couple of weeks. So that's the braided cables, and this funky looking package. Is that all I've got? I thought I had more. No, that's empty. But these, if you're thinking like, why the hell is it got them? These are neoprene lens cases. But you're thinking, hang on a minute, he films on a camcorder that doesn't have any removable lenses. Well, you'd be right. It's a large one, medium one, like Russian dolls, isn't they? Small, and extra small. These are about £5-6 again off eBay. So if you want to buy these, I'll leave in the video description below links where you can buy all these items from. So the idea behind these is, I got my LED light behind me. I'm using my two newer 660 LED lights, but I've also bought some NPF 970 batteries. And the light behind me, that runs off an NPF battery, Zobrist, a 550 battery. So the NPF 970 batteries, they're quite large. So I thought, well, if I get one of these, or a couple of these, I can put a battery in there, pull it closed, and then just chuck it in the bag. Without it touching any metal, they'll be covered. These are actually quite thick. These are nice. Rather than having to put them in and out the box that they got delivered in. So these are, you know, I said about £5-6. So these are going to go for my batteries, and that's got to keep in there. There we go, fantastic. Let's open up the SD card as well. Tell you what, this packaging is amazing. So frustrating. There's nothing in there. All it is the card. There we go. Just a normal Sandisk Ultra, 80 megabits a second, again, 80 megabytes a second Sandisk SD card. So there we go, that is today's unboxing video. I do hope you have enjoyed all of this. So we have got the 16 gigabyte SD card, the 4-pack of Neoprene lens pouches, the photo R sandbags, lighting weights, tripod weights, the Alxum USB 3 hub with micro SD and SD card reader, USB 3 speed, brilliant, and a USB 3 extension cable, and of course the Shakmods, or even though I call it Shakmods, USB braided cable. Don't forget, if you want to buy any of these products, then have a look in the video links below in the video description. The video links below in the video description, that don't make sense. So if you want to buy any of these products, have a click in the video description below, where I'll be leaving links for all of these items I have purchased today. These are not affiliate links, so knock yourselves out and buy as many as you want, because it doesn't affect me at all. If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and thank you very much for all of you who have subscribed in the past. If you want to watch me make my own braided cables, hit that bell icon, and I'll be making that video really soon. So thank you very much for watching today's episode of IoT Ixes on Tech. I have been Ixes, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Bye bye.